Welcome back to our YouTube channel, Psychology Unplugged. In this video, we will discuss and recognize signs of burnout. Gallup survey shows 77% of professionals have experienced burnout in 2023. Have you ever felt like no matter how much you do, it's never enough? You are exhausted, unmotivated, and maybe even wondering, what's the point? Well, you're not alone. Burnout is more common than you think. Nearly 8 out of 10 professionals report experiencing it at some point. Today, we're diving into burnout, what it is, how to recognize the warning signs, and how to take back control of your life. Let's start with the basics. Burnout isn't just being tired after a long day. It's a state of chronic physical, emotional, and mental exhaustion caused by prolonged stress. According to WHO, ICD-11, burnout, a condition of emotional exhaustion, depersonalization, and reduced personal accomplishment. Why it happens? Burnout often stems from unrealistic expectations, whether they're from your job, relationships, or even yourself. It's the result of prolonged stress without adequate recovery time. I once spoke to a viewer, Lily, who was juggling a demanding job and caregiving responsibilities. She said, "I felt like I was running a marathon I didn't sign up for, and every day, the finish line kept moving further away." That's burnout in a nutshell. Coming up, we'll break down the physical, emotional, and behavioral signs of burnout, because recognizing it early can make all the difference. Burnout doesn't show up the same way for everyone. For some, it's a physical exhaustion that won't go away, while for others, it's emotional numbness. Physical signs. You might feel constantly tired, get frequent headaches, or even notice your immune system taking a hit. You're sick all the time. Emotional signs. You might feel detached, unmotivated, or overwhelmed by even the smallest tasks. It's like the spark you once had is gone. Behavioral signs. Burnout can show up in your actions too, like procrastinating on important tasks, avoiding social situations, or even snapping at loved ones. If you're noticing these signs in yourself or someone close to you, share this video. It could be the nudge they need to recognize their own burnout. Stick around, because, in a moment, we are going to uncover actionable strategies to combat burnout and reclaim your energy. The good news: burnout isn't permanent. With the coming steps, you can recover and rebuild your resilience. Set boundaries. Learn to say no, and prioritize what truly matters. It's okay to let go of tasks that aren't serving you. Practice self-care. This isn't just about bubble baths. It's about giving yourself the care you need, whether it's regular sleep, balanced meals, or moments of mindfulness. Seek professional help. Burnout isn't a weakness, and reaching out to a therapist or counselor can be a game changer. They'll help you unpack the deeper issues and develop strategies that work for you. Burnout might feel like a dead end, but it's actually an opportunity to reset and realign with what truly matters. Recognizing the signs is the first step toward healing. Comment below. Which of these signs resonates most with you? Let's start a conversation by booking an online therapy session with us. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Psychology Unplugged for more tips. And don't forget to share this with someone who might need a reminder that they're not alone. See you in the next video.